Good morning. This is a video I took when the woodpecker came back for the first time this year. I set up the camcorder and took almost 30 minutes of him steadily pecking on this I cut the video down to 1 minute 45.33 seconds. It would get boring just watching him do the same thing for almost 30 minutes. But this is him. I don't know if this is the same one from last year or not, but I modified the bird house so that I could open up the back and see him, or see the babies when they come, if they come. I hope so. So by modifying the house, he has to do some more pecking to get it the way he wants it. So it is up to him to do what he wants to do, and as he continues, I will take more video. I hope you can enjoy this. I think it's cute as hell, personally. This is a woodpecker in a birdhouse.